Hello everyone, this video is about many unknown and interesting facts about Thiruvalluvar and Thirukural. I hope you would like this video. Let's go to the video. Thirukural, written by Thiruvalluvar. It is a compendium of timeless ancient Tamil wisdom, one of the most prominent literary works in Tamil. The Thirukural has 1330 couplets and 133 chapters. In almost every virtues of life, Thirukural's thoughts have been related. Hence, here are some mind-blowing facts that you need to know about Thirukural and Thiruvalluvar. The 1330 couplets are written without a single poem. It is the only book in the world that has been highly translated after King James Bible. It begins in the name of God but speaks of no particular religion or god. It had no takers or readers during the Pandyan Sangam age because the other court poets considered the two-line couplet out of sync with the syntax and semantics of the prevailing Tamil literature of that period. It was Avvaiyar, one of the most important poets of Tamil literature and author of Ati Chudi, who expounded the greatness of Thirukural in the Pandyan ruler's court, and the Thiruvalluvar statue is considered as one of the tallest statues in the world. It is located in Kanyakumari. It is 1330 feet tall, which is the number of Adigarnangal or chapters found in Tirukkural. It virtually covers every aspect of human's life, such as character, wealth, life, and friendship. Thiruvallamalai, literally known as Garland of Valluvar, is a special book containing 55 verses, each written by different poets belonging to various centuries. Tirukkural is also known as Olagapudhumarai. Vallavar Kottam is a popular place in Chennai where you can take delight in reading all 1330 Kurals sculptured in stones. The first letter of Tirukkurals are the last letters in. These are the first and the last alphabets found in Tamil language. Though there are 247 Tamil alphabets, you can only find 37 alphabets used in Tirukkural. There are only two flowers found in the entire book. One is Kuvalai, second is Anicham. There is only one fruit that is mentioned in the book, that is Nejilamji. Only two trees are featured in this book. One is palm tree, second is bamboo tree. The alphabet that features the most in the books are Ni, that appears 1705 times. Interestingly, two keywords, Tamil and Kadavul, do not appear even once in the entire book. The first Tirukkural texts were published by Gana Praksam in 1812. The total number of words are 14,000. Tirukkural has in total 42,194 letters. Kodi, Tamil for crore, appears in 7 places. It has been translated into 26 international languages. It has been translated into English by 40 prominent authors. There are 5 Kurals that won't touch the lips while reading. Tirukkural couplets are found all over inside Tamil Nadu State Transport Corporation buses. A few couplets of Tirukkural have been prominently displayed in France railways. There is also a French translation of Tirukkural found in the train in France. Tirukkural is a world masterpiece, and no amount of writing would help extol the greatness and glory of Tirukkural, known for its brilliance and timeless elucidation of moral ethics of life. Tirukkural is one of the oldest literary works known to man, compared and linked to Socrates and Aristotle. Let's look upon the syntactics of Tirukkural. Tirukkural follows the grammatic pattern of Vempa, strictest adherents of poetic grammar in Tamil. Each Kural or couplet contains exactly 7 words, 4 in one line, 3 in next line, each word having 1 to 3 syllables. Special rules apply for the last word and vice versa. The rules are perfect for formatting musical patterns, and therefore one can easily create a song or tune by tuning the couplets into lyrics. Therefore, Tirukkural is one of the most widely appreciated Vempa in Tamil. Let's look upon the structural used in Tirukkural. No literary work can come closer to Tirukkural in terms of brevity and simplicity. It contains 130 Adigaram, that is chapters, with 1330 Kurals or couplets, classified into 3 categories expounding the 3 cardinal values, that are wealth, trueness, and happiness. The ever-increasing popularity of Tirukkural can be attributed to the definite body of semantic knowledge it propounds around human virtues and values. In fact, the exposition of moral values in Tirukural is more than the beauty of poetry itself. Tirukural has a huge following that is independent of specific time, religion. Thiruvalluvar is also known as Valluvar. Valluvar has been highly recognized poet saint over several centuries. The temple in honor of Valluvar was built in Mysore and Chennai in early 16th century. As another tribute to Tirukural and its author Thiruvalluvar, a monument called Valluvar Kottam was constructed in Chennai in 1976. The main elements of the monument include a high chariot where it is 39 meter high. There is a replica of chariot in Tiruvayur, the temple town of Tamil Nadu. It was K.R. Venugopal Sharma who first did a pencil sketching of Thiruvalluvar and also painted an air portrait of him, supposedly turned out to be original appearance of the immortal poet Thiruvalluvar. In 1957, C.N. Annadurai, the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, recommended the then Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Bhakthavatsalan, to formally approve it as a recognized image of Saint Poet. Interestingly, 2 years later, the Indian Postal Service released the same portrait as a postal stamp. When C.N. Annadurai became the Chief Minister of the state in 1967, he passed an order that every state government office should have Thiruvalluvar's portrait. Thank you for watching this video. I believe from this video you might have known about many interesting facts about Thiruvalluvar and Tirukural. I would like to conclude the video by telling that in those days, many people concentrated on the quality of life that we wanted to live. The main aim of interest was in empowering the human values of the person needed such that his true potential can be revealed to the world. Nowadays, very few concentrate on the value of life which is. I am not telling that everyone are just focused on financial benefit. Few are focused on the value of life they want to live. I would just like to tell each and everyone that if we focus on values that we need to develop, the value of life which we need to implement, then definitely we can be successful. So I come with an interesting topic like this. So until then, stay happy, stay safe. Namaste, Jai.